Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, then hello, here's what my face looks like. I hope you will subscribe and stick around for more of my videos. And for today's video, I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. I personally love watching these videos because I find it super helpful to see what other people are eating, what's working, what's not, finding new recipes, because you know, you can get bored with what you're eating. So I'm gonna show you guys what I eat in a typical day. If you want more like fitness and health tips and food, follow my Instagram, that's Jeanine Amapola. And I also want to let you guys know that part of this video will be sponsored by Fabletics. So I'm an ambassador for them. I'm wearing one of their cute outfits today. Here it is. So I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of my workout today, as well as a clothing haul for fitness, and also still showing you guys what I eat in the day. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, find it beneficial and helpful, and let's just get right into it. All right, you guys, so it is actually 11:43, and you're like,
you're just now eating breakfast, Jeanine?
Yes, I had a very weird day today, so did not have the chance to eat breakfast yet. So I'm hungry, I'm starving, y'all. So I'm about to show you guys what I'm gonna eat, and then I'll just have a later breakfast, later lunch, and then a little bit of a later dinner. So today will just be shifted back a couple hours, but the food's still gonna be the same. You get the point. So if you watch my last what I eat in a day, I still eat very similar. I'll have my last what I eat in a day linked down below. The last video I did like this was literally a year ago, so it's time for us to do a revamped one. But in that one, you'll see that I eat banana pancakes almost every single day. And today, I'm not feeling banana pancakes. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be eating today. Also, at some point, I do wanna try these. I got these at Trader Joe's the other day. Protein buttermilk pancake mix. 10 grams of protein and in 2 pancakes. Yes. So I'm gonna try this out at some point. Today's not the day, but for today's breakfast, pause. This is what we will be eating. So I'm eating this oatmeal right here from Trader Joe's. It's their unsweetened instant oatmeal made with whole grain oats. That's so good. Quinoa, amaranth, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Now I do intuitive eating, which basically means I just eat and I don't track. However, if you are wanting to stay on a fitness journey, or you're trying to lose weight, or you're trying to stay on track, tracking your calories is going to help. It's just science, it's just facts. I don't really like to focus on calories. I more like to focus on just eating, satiating, healthy, fulfilling, whole grain type of meals. What was that type of food? Huh, Jeanine? But this is really good. So one packet is 160 calories. The carbs is 26 grams. There's no sugars, no added sugars, which is so great. Always try to avoid sugars. I'm going to be adding strawberries and blueberries in mine, as well as stevia packets. Now, stevia packets are sweeteners, but it's made from a plant, so it's healthier and it's natural. But I use this because I think this is still a little plain, so I like to add a little bit of this. So it's super easy to make. Let's get into it. Okay, so the oatmeal is done. I'm about to add my stevia packet in there. Just a quick side note, I don't add the whole thing. I literally sprinkle a little bit because this is so sweet that a little bit goes a long way. But fruit does have natural sugars, so if you can avoid adding any extra sugar, great. But this is definitely gonna be a little bit better than like adding actual like real cane sugar or whatever. But if you are good enough with just having fruit and the natural sugars from that, stick to it. But if the oatmeal is not sweet enough for you and you need a little bit of something, then just add a little bit of stevia. And that's it. That's my breakfast. I also just wanted to add that I drink... If you've been a long time viewer, you know I do one dumb thing a day. That was my dumb thing of the day. Stereotypical of me. What I was gonna say is I drink lemon water every single morning, and I love lemon water because it encourages me to drink more water because I like water with flavor in it, but now I just spilled it everywhere. And this is why we can't have nice things, ladies and gentlemen, because we ruin them. So this is a stereotypical breakfast. I also always drink coffee, but I drank coffee already at 8:30 this morning, so that's why I'm not including coffee, but I did have coffee today. So I'm just gonna eat this and get some work done. So now I want to do kind of like a mini haul for you guys, showing you guys March pieces from Fabletics. There's so many good pieces this month, so I want to show you guys this. I also get questions from you guys a lot on my Instagram asking me to show you guys the pieces on me more, because sometimes I show just like a couple and you want to see more than just like a couple outfits. I have so many to show you guys. Like, look at that back there. So I'm gonna do a mini haul, show you guys my favorite pieces from this month, and then you guys will see which one I end up wearing tonight at my workout. Okay, the first outfit's this one. I am really typically not into biker shorts, but I really like this one. And I love this color. The material is super, super stretchy. I definitely will say in all of these outfits, I needed to size down. I normally am an extra small and I ordered a small just to see what fit me better, and Fabletics does run a little bit bigger. So just saying, these all are a little bit bigger on me than they normally are, but they still are good. So this is the first outfit. Okay, here's the next outfit. I absolutely love this bra. There is the back of this bra. And on the leggings, there's a fun zipper right here and a pocket for your phone. And there's different things that you can mix and match with it. And I love these bras as well. They have extremely good support. Okay, here is the next outfit. And you guys, I love this sports bra. Look at this. I love that. And then I'm wearing these leggings. These are, I believe they're high-waisted power hold leggings. These are the matching leggings, but these are just too big on me. But here's what they look like. I love these leggings. I just need to size down, but the color is everything. Okay, so this top is similar to the red one I showed you, and oh my gosh, I love these tops. They're very stretchy. Like, you can wear this as a regular crop top, or you could just work out in it. And then I have these loungy sweatpants. I love this outfit. This is like a great lounging outfit, but also I'm totally gonna wear this sports bra to the gym. Okay, this one is bright and it's so fun. So I actually had to roll down this just because this is too long on my waist. I have a really short waist. But if you're into biker shorts, this is super fun. I love crop tops as well, so definitely gonna wear this with probably just a pair of black leggings, but I think this set is so fun. This is one of those outfits that I would just like go on a run in or lounge around the house in, and I love this one as well. So we just have a gray pair of shorts. I also love this top. I feel like with this top you can wear this working out or just on the go. So I love loungy fun outfits like this. You guys, I'm in love with this one. I think I'm gonna wear this one tonight. So this is what it looks like. This color is amazing, the fit's amazing. I believe these are the Trinity leggings. These are some of my most favorite leggings. I love this one. Oh my gosh, this color is amazing. Okay, so I'm so not a biker shorts kind of gal, but oh my gosh, I love this outfit too. These colors are amazing, and the fit of this one is amazing. You guys, another one I'm in love with. I absolutely love these sports bras. If I can recommend anything, it's these type of sports bras. I think these are personally really flattering on my shoulder width or whatever, but I love the way this fits. This support is so great. These leggings are so fun. I do think I need to size down in these though, because my waist is so short, so I feel like I need to like roll it. But however, this set I think is my freaking favorite. Okay, hopefully you guys like that little try on haul of Fabletics, showing you guys my favorite pieces from this month. And if you guys want to try these out, the link is always down below, so you can click that link. And when you join as a VIP member, you guys can get 2 pairs of leggings for $24. Any pair of leggings you want for $24, which is a really, really great deal. There is also no cost to a membership, so if you guys want to sign up and do the membership, there's no cost for signing up. All you will be required to do is either shop or hit skip between the 1st and the 5th of every single month. If you don't hit skip, it'll automatically just have a credit applied to your account, and you can use that whenever you want. It's like a gift card that never expires. I truly love Fabletics. I love using their products, and I work out in them almost every single day. So hopefully you guys like that haul, and you can now check it out by using the link below. So thank you so much to Fabletics for giving me these amazing pieces. Okay, it is now 3:07. I am so hungry. I'm ready for lunchtime. What I also just did really quickly is I refilled up my water bottle. I bought this 2 days ago, and I just keep refilling it. And this is a really, really great way for me to remind myself to keep drinking water, because I'm trying to drink like 2 of these a day. And so obviously I know it's better to use like a reusable bottle, but this is my reusable bottle. Like, I keep just using this bottle. So for lunch, what sounds so good to me right now is I'm gonna do, I think, a quinoa, lettuce, cottage cheese, tomatoes, maybe some chicken, depending on how I feel, but I wanna just fill that bad boy up and just eat all of that. That sounds so good. So it'll be really satiating and healthy, and let's get to it. I'm also not even gonna lie, I'm totally just eating these straight out of the jar. If you've been following me for a while, you know this isn't new for me. These are my favorite. Trader Joe's, man, they're so good. Okay, so my quinoa is ready, and it makes about that much, so I'm not using all of that. I'm actually honestly gonna use like a scoop. But what's so great about quinoa is that you can just put it in a Ziploc and eat it again later. It's like you're just cooking for the week. So that's everything I'm putting into this salad, or this, whatever this is, I don't know. The last thing I'm gonna do is put a little bit of olive oil and balsamic, and that's it. I love balsamic, like love it. It's a problem. Okay, I'm totally kidding, that's really gross, but I really do feel that way. But just a little bit of olive oil and balsamic and you're good to go. That, ladies and gentlemen, is my lunch, and this will keep me nice and full. There's fiber in here, protein, veggies, I mean, so much good stuff in here, you guys. I decided to skip out on chicken because I'm gonna eat chicken tonight, and this is what I made. Okay, I changed because I decided I'm gonna wear this blue outfit to the gym, but y'all, I'm about to dig into this bowl. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Wow, y'all gotta try this. Sometimes, let's be honest, these meals don't satisfy me. Like, they don't satisfy.
Crazy.
I eat these, and I got hooked on these because of Whitney Simmons. The Smart Sweets, I love these. I love them. They only have 3 grams of sugar, and they're high in fiber, plant-based, free from artificial sweeteners, peanut and tree nut-free, free from artificial colors, and naturally flavored. I recommend find alternatives to unhealthy things, because this satisfies the cravings, but I'm not like eating a bag of like Skittles, you know what I mean? So today has been one of those days where I can't decide on what to wear, so I changed into this. And I'm gonna drink my Celsius, and I'm off to go work out. So around the afternoon, I definitely need like a little pick-me-up, so these are incredible. This is my favorite flavor, kiwi guava. Let's go do a workout.
Halfway. Nice job, good. Burn those biceps up.
Oh my God, this burns. Alright guys, I know this video is getting quite long, but I just finished a workout. It was so good. JT is like my trainer right now. He is so good at what he does. He's teaching me kettlebells, and he taught me a lot of new kettlebells today. So after workout, I try to have a protein shake, so I'm going to show you guys what protein I use. Okay, this is the protein I use. This is from Trader Joe's. I'm sure there's better ones out there, and maybe you guys can leave me recommendations. I would love what you guys use. This is just what I use, and I like that it has biotin, vitamins, and minerals and fiber in there. So that's what I've been using for a while, but if I don't use that, then I use the pure protein packs. They're like the strawberries and cream one is so good. I'm just out of them right now. And those, I believe, have 30 grams of protein. So I'm really trying to work on amping up my protein because I'm really bad at protein. And you need apparently 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight. And I'm like, that's so much protein, good Lord. So maybe I'm mistaken on that, but I'm almost positive that's what it is. So I'm just trying to drink a lot of protein. So I try to drink this right after my workout. And then it's currently now 7:25. I'm not starving yet, but probably in the next 30-45 minutes, I'm gonna make some dinner, and I will show you guys what I'm eating tonight. Also, what I like to add are these Vital Proteins Collagen Peptide. This is also great for hair, skin, nails, and we all need collagen. Like, ladies, if you want good skin when you're older, collagen. All right, cheers. Okay, so for dinner, I'm really hungry now, and I'm also lazy. So I'm just gonna throw some broccoli onto a pan, spray some coconut oil, salt and pepper, throw that in the oven for 20 minutes. I currently have chicken in there right now that I just squeezed with lemon and some seasoning. So I just put these seasonings, garlic powder, original seasoning blend, Mr. Dash, and I did this chicken one as well. So I just put that on there and some lemon. And then I'm just gonna eat my leftover quinoa from earlier today because that's still good and it sounds good to me. And that's gonna be my dinner. So it's super easy and quick. So. Dinner is served. Here's dinner. This looks so good. Cannot wait to eat this. Oh my gosh, so good. Thank you, Jesus, for this food. Amen. Alright, you guys, it is the end of the day. I'm going to try to make this outro sweet and short, but I am going to bed. It is now about 10:30, and that was a full day of me eating. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully it wasn't too long. And let me know if you guys like more of these videos, because obviously every day I eat differently. Some days I do binge more, and some days I snack a little bit more, but today I just really tried to cook more because I was pretty much at home all day today anyway. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I really, really appreciate it. If you guys want to see more of what I do on a daily basis, check out my vlog channel, Jeanine TV, and you can follow my Instagram for more tips as well, Jeanine Amapola. And I will see you guys very, very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.